It's 5 a.m. in the morning and most of Liverpool are still asleep. But it's business as usual for Paul, who's loading up the Queen of Greens van, a greengrocer on wheels.
They're a good seller for the Cyprus potatoes.
The van is loaded with the freshest fruit and veggies at market prices and is set to be delivered throughout the community.
I would forecast today 90% of this stuff should go today. Well, today is probably our busiest day out of the week. We do a lot of asylum centres, refugee centres, as well as children's centres. A lot of the customers get these vouchers from the Alexander Rose. Have you heard of it? So if you're on say low income families or people who are on healthy staff vouchers, we can do a few hundred. We can do a few hundred of them today, just on their own. They get shipping paying or cash.
Liverpool is a city known the world over for its culture and character. From its proud maritime history to the music that gave us the Beatles, Liverpool has left a lasting mark on the world. Yet alongside this rich heritage, the city also faces challenges, leaving some people without access to healthy, fresh food. At Liverpool University, a team of researchers are trying to get to the root of the problem.
I think the main goal that we're really interested in finding out about is how can the Queen of Greens bus, as well as the Alexander Rose vouchers, really improve the uptake of fresh fruit and vegetables amongst social housing residents.
They're creating a mapping tool to help pinpoint specific locations in need of healthier food options.
So you've got the blue dots, which are the existing sites that the Queen of Greens bus goes to. And then we've got these red dots here, which are the optimised sites where we think are the best locations to take the bus to, based on a lack of access to healthy foods, high levels of social housing residents, and high levels of socioeconomic deprivation. So it's telling us where should we take the bus to, where we think it has the biggest need for tackling food insecurity in Liverpool.
Hi, my name's Lucy Antal, and I'm a director of the Alchemic Kitchen CIC, which runs Queen of Greens. So we want to choose spaces where we hope that we'll be able to demonstrate having the Queen of Greens go with fresh fruit and vegetables makes a difference to health outcomes, mental and physical, in those spaces.
Organisations like the Queen of Greens see the positive impacts of their efforts every day. But quantifying that on paper is a different story.
It's going to be a game changer for us as a small social enterprise because we don't have the capacity or the expertise in hand to be able to collect that kind of data, and we know how important knowing this sort of thing is. And that then hopefully is going to make the case for policymakers to think more about supporting alternative food networks and alternative food supply in a way that makes it easier for everyone to eat better.
So our project is focused on Liverpool, but really it's tackling a problem that affects the whole of the UK. And so we're hoping that what we find in Liverpool can be readily adapted and scaled up to the rest of the UK. So I'm really excited about this project because it's an opportunity to trial and test an aspect of how we can change environments by bringing fresh fruit and vegetables to people, get around that barrier of accessibility or inaccessibility, and really make a difference to people's lives in what is ultimately a very important crisis at the minute.
We're nearly sold out.
Oh really?
7 boxes, only got 1 left. Yeah.
Man.
Hang on. 2 left.
2 left.
No grapes, no bananas, no potatoes, no onions, blueberries.
It's been a quiet morning then.
apples.
Quiet morning.
Grapes? Oh, I know you'll have some blueberries, won't you?
We used to take my children to the Wavertree Children's Centre, and the girls there actually put me onto the Queen of Greens, so we've been using him ever since then. And he's absolutely brilliant. All his stuff's dead fresh, much better than the shops in all honesty. I think you get more for your money. I feel like Paul's last longer. Like genuinely, they do last longer, and the kids absolutely love it. They love the sweetness and the bananas and the grapes. It's basically, if the kids are going to eat it or not, how do I get them to eat the good stuff? Buy it from a good place.
Well, I'm passionate about the job because I'm 66 next birthday and I can officially retire and I can retire if I want to, but I don't want to at the moment because I'm passionate about the job. If I wasn't passionate, I wouldn't do it. But the best thing about it is it's a great idea. It's healthy food. It's affordable for people who are actually purchasing with their own money. It is affordable, and you can tell by the clients they keep coming back, and that's all you can ask for. And it's healthy. It's making people healthy, giving them an healthy option.
With the help of the research project, the Queen of Greens bus is steering fresh fruit and veg straight to the communities that need it most. It's a simple idea with a powerful goal, making healthy food affordable, accessible, and a part of everyday life across the city.